Our students went out, they collected seeds and cuttings from 2 different types of plants, actually 3 different types of plants, and we brought those back here. Some we started from seeds, some from cuttings, and we grew them in our aquaponics system that we have here at Bryant out back. So we were supposed to replant that stuff in April of 2020, but with COVID, we had to push that back to April of 2021, where our students cared for it in the greenhouse all that time, and then they went back and replanted in the marsh.
We don't realize how much of an effect we have on our environment until we actually go out and see the effects of it. So, pollution, weather, boats coming in and out, dredging, all this is affecting our community, and we don't realize it until we don't have it in there anymore, and so we have to go in and help. So it helped me learn how we affect our environment and how we can take steps forward to protect it and to make it better.
The main things I really wanted for our students to get was an appreciation for the environment locally. You don't have to go to the mountains. You don't have to go to Yellowstone, Yosemite, whatever, far away. We have an amazing ecosystem right here in our backyard, and so many of our students just haven't been exposed to that.
This is something different. It's something that's fun to see, to go out, get in the community, and be able to help, because you can see what an effect it truly does make.